How to fix X login error attestation denied. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue on X Twitter. Now, since you no longer have access into the X application, what you can do at first place is to tap and hold on your X icon and then hit on this I logo so that you will be redirected into your app info for this specific app. Now in here, what you want to have to do next is to scroll down. And then under usage, go on storage. Now from here, you should be able to see two options. But you want to have to comply both of these options because there are some instances that this specific issue might come with a specific glitch. So first is to do clear cache, and then second is to do clear data, and then hit on delete. This will automatically log you out from the application itself or any error that you encounter on the application. You just need to re-log in again and see if it works. And that's how you fix X login error attestation denied.